And let us further analysis. Let us further analyze about the NDA's victory. BJP has won 74 seats in 2020, but in 2025, BJP has won 89 seats with 81% strike rate. And JDU has won only 43 assembly seats in 2020, but JDU has won 85 seats in 2025 with a 97.6% increase. And Lok Janshakti Party, led by Chirag Paswanji, has contested in 29 assembly constituencies and has won 19 assembly seats with a strike rate of 65.5%. And under NDA alliances parties, HAM won 5 seats and RLM won 4 seats. NDA has won only 125 assembly seats in 2020 assembly elections, whereas NDA has won 202 assembly seats in 2025 assembly election. That is an increase of 77 additional seats. In 2020, women vote share was only 59.7%, but while in 2025 it is 71.6%. Thus, women have contributed for NDA's victory, and NDA has sweeps in 2025 assembly elections because a major contribution has come from women vote share, and women have outvoted men in 108 assembly seats. Thus, women have significantly contributed towards NDA victory. And let us analyze about the BJP's growth in assembly elections from every 5 years. All of us are aware that BJP has won only 41 assembly seats in 1995 assembly elections, but in 2025 BJP has won 89 assembly seats.